Although window air conditioners are significantly more common, portable air conditioners are a viable option if size, style, or building management issues prevent you from installing one. We'll go through the top portable air conditioners available on Amazon so you can have a cool summer or a warm winter, depending on your needs. Black & Decker 8000 BTU. Now, it doesn't take much to get a nice air conditioner for your home. All you need to consider is if it's energy efficient, strong enough to effectively chill your living space, and within your budget. This portable air conditioner has a cooling power of 8000 BTU and comes with a dehumidifier fan and a 5-inch threaded exhaust pipe. Not only that, but besides its accessible starting price of $339.99, it's also extremely energy efficient. You might utilize the unit's 24-hour timer to ensure that your energy expenses do not increase as you use it. As a result, you'll be able to control when it operates and turn it off when you don't need it. If you have a small space, this Black & Decker air conditioner is most likely the greatest unit you can acquire. You'll receive a complete window kit with everything you need to install it. And because of its self-evaporating action, you won't need any buckets or drain pans. Here's what people are saying online. It's been almost 2 years and I am still loving this AC. I remove the vent assembly in the winter and reinstall it when needed. It still cools my home as expected. I'd still recommend it. In fact, I'm ordering another one right now for my very hot laundry room. Serene Life SLP AC8. The Serene Life SLP AC8 is one of the great offerings among the portable AC units. It provides strong cooling performance, and the combination of simplicity and low energy usage makes it an appealing purchase. At a starting price of $309.99, this air conditioner unit is a great choice for any cozy room you have at home. Portability is one of the strongest points of Serene Life SLP AC8. This air conditioner moves about very well, and it isn't too difficult to transport, especially when compared to the largest units. If you want to pick it up, the handles are reasonably ergonomic, although they are shallow and lack any gripping substance, so your fingertips may become fatigued after a while or slip if your hands are damp. In other words, it's better to roll it around. Winter ARC14S. Although it's a little more expensive than the units I've reviewed so far, at $662.99, the Winter ARC14S is certainly one of the best portable AC units you can find. If you need to cool a bigger place that isn't a bedroom, or if you regularly face temperatures exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit, the 14,000 BTU Winter ARC14S is a worthwhile investment. Although it offers remarkable cooling power, it is difficult to maneuver and somehow noisy enough to disrupt sleep in a bedroom. This unit is quite energy efficient too. At maximum cooling capacity, the ARC14S consumes 1,250 watts of electricity. This is slightly less than the power demand of most comparable 14,000 BTU models. It also comes with additional parts, such as a window kit to fit into the window brackets and a window adjustment. It comes with end adapters and a remote control, so you can change the setting from afar. If you're looking for an upgraded version of the classic portable AC bedroom, the Winter ARC14S is definitely your choice. Have a look at what some customers are saying about the unit. We finally installed and turned on this baby for the very first time. San Francisco reached an unseasonably warm 80 degrees today. The window kit worked well. Shinko 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Shinko portable air conditioners are less expensive than comparable size units. They offer the same cooling capability as top window AC units, but they're easier to install and considerably quieter, making them ideal for bedrooms. At a low price of $319.99, if you're looking for a great cooling effect at a reasonable price, you should consider Shinko. Because of its small size, the Shinko may be placed against a wall or in a corner. Simple digital controls illuminate, allowing you to adjust settings in the dark. The remote control can also change function, speed, or operating mode. The silent mode, the lowest AC setting, cools the room and is substantially quieter than comparable units while maintaining room temperature. If you have trouble sleeping, this is an excellent purchase. Midea 6000 BTU. The Midea 6000 BTU air conditioner is ideal for anyone with a room of 250 square feet or smaller, and it is also incredibly energy efficient, with features like Echo Mode and Sleep Well. Its price of $329 is also very tempting, even if it's a 6000 BTU unit. Trust me, its tech offsets any doubts you might have about its power. Soaring energy bills have always been a source of contention, particularly when it comes to air conditioners. Fortunately, because we're talking about a window unit, this shouldn't be a problem. They are regarded to be more energy efficient than portable air conditioners, so if you want to keep your power costs under control, they should be your best choice. The Midea 6000 BTU unit has reusable and washable filters that are simply detachable for cleaning, to ensure that the air being circulated is clean and free of impurities. Anyone with a cooling space of less than 250 square feet must presumably choose between a portable air conditioner and a window unit. If you are confronted with this dilemma, we believe a window unit would be preferable. The Midea 6000 BTU is certainly a great choice. LiQWYD Alexa-enabled portable air conditioner. Have you ever thought you could turn your AC unit on and off with only your voice? Well, with a LiQWYD Alexa-enabled portable air conditioner, you certainly can now. The main advantage of utilizing a portable air conditioner is that you can relocate it to any room that requires air cooling. Add that to wireless networking capabilities that enable voice control and smart operation, and you have a cooling appliance that you will rarely need to get up to in order to get it to operate. This unit is an excellent option for a bedroom or living room air conditioner. It's quieter than a window unit, plus it's Wi-Fi enabled, so you can manage it with Alexa or the LiQWYD app to switch between settings. If you love a quiet AC unit and hate having to get up to change its settings, then look no further, especially at the extremely reasonable starting price of $369.99. Tosot 8000 BTU. This unit starts at $349.99 and is excellent if you want a small yet powerful portable air conditioner. The Tosot air conditioner delivers excellent cooling at an affordable price. With this minimal investment, you will acquire an energy-efficient unit with an Energy Star rating, which will not significantly increase your power bill. Because of its simple appearance and high performance, the Tosot 8000 BTU window air conditioner is an excellent choice. This air conditioner can cool up to 350 square feet, which is excellent for the price. If you're looking for a window AC with small dimensions, the Tosot is the right choice. DeLonghi Portable Air Conditioner. At $699.95, the DeLonghi Portable AC is the most expensive unit on this list. But it's worth every penny. Its dehumidify mode is a great addition. During one season, the air in various regions can be chilly and humid. Heat and humidity are drawn from the air and expelled to the outside in AC mode. In dehumidify mode, the heat is returned to your living area while just the humidity is removed. A portable AC with dehumidify mode is an excellent choice for those chilly, damp days that can occur in the north during the fall and spring, and in the south during the winter. And of course, this unit also has Wi-Fi, so you can use the app to control the unit from anywhere. DeLonghi is definitely the most powerful portable AC on this list, and it's stacked with great features that make it one of the best portable ACs on the market. This customer absolutely loved the unit. They said, "This air conditioner outputs air pretty well, and it's chilled how you expect an air conditioner to work." That's all for now. If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment. And I'll see you next time.